Maintain control area setting. Define the general control parameters for the current controlling area. For that, we can use transaction code 0K5 or by path SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, controlling, profit center accounting, basic settings, controlling area settings, maintain controlling area settings. SAP में जाते हैं. For setting controlling area, we will go by path SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, controlling, profit center accounting, basic settings, and set controlling area. Enter your controlling area and then click on continue button. Now next step is control area settings and maintain control area settings. Here we have to assign standard hierarchy key. So we will create hierarchy key PCSH-TR as 1. Then we will use profit local currency, profit center currency. Click on confirm, enter, and change our profit local currency to GBP, British pound. Now click on save button.